Hi everyone, this is Clara from Meghna's Kitchen. Today I am going to make mutton biryani in pressure cooker. This is going to be a super and awesome, simple, the best biryani. Cooking biryani in pressure cooker has made our life much more easy. So let's get start our recipe. To make this mutton biryani here I am using 300 grams mutton. Now I am going to use very simple spices. First I am going to add 1 cup of curd. And finally chopped tomatoes 1 cup, 1 cup of onions which are roughly chopped, and green chili, 2 spoons of salt, pinch of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 cup of oil. Now I am going to mix everything. Half tablespoon of garam masala, half tablespoon of cumin powder. Mix it together. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix it properly. Give a nice mix. And now I am going to add 1 tea glass of milk. After adding milk, again I am going to add 1 tea glass of water. Mix it everything finally and close the lid. Keep it aside 5 minutes. After 5 minutes you can cook the mutton till 4 whistles. While cooking the mutton I am going to use other stove for cook the rice. Here I added 2 glasses of water. Now I am going to add ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon for flavor, bay leaves, adding japatri, biryani flour, and rest of the masalas, cloves, cinnamon, adding shajira, adding 1 green chili. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil, very little bit, to have the rice perfectly, and few mint leaves. Now mix it everything. Now we are going to add basmati rice. Here I am using basmati rice 1.5 cup. After adding into the water, just mix it once, but don't think of mixing it many times, because it will this all the starch and your rice will become not so flaky and not so good. The rice is getting almost done. I mean to say it is now 50% done. I think I am going to let it done till it is 60%, because the mutton is nice and tender. Do one thing: if you are going to use normal vessel, you can cook a basmati rice till 80%. But here I am using pressure cooker. 60% is enough, and remaining I will cook in pressure cooker. So I am going to let this rice cook till it is 60%. After 4 whistles, give some time to release the pressure and open the lid. Now look at the way I am going to transfer the rice on top of this mutton. Take this rice, treat very gently and spread it now. Now look at this, I am not dumping it, I am just dropping the air, and I am letting nice gap come between this rice. So when it comes out, it gets perfect. So when it gets done, that is cooked within its own heat, the rice will expand, because the basmati rice, it will expand lengthwise while it is getting done. Very carefully spread this rice on top of this. Before closing the lid, we are going to spread with these brown onions. This is what is going to give you a very nice flavor to have a biryani. And also some mint leaves. And now I am going to add ghee. This ghee in the last will give extra taste so that it spreads down and the flavors will come awesome. Now I am going to close the lid. One whistle is enough. After one whistle, give some time to release the pressure. Now I am going to open the lid. Once open the lid, aroma just too good. Look at this. Because the way you spread the rice is just flaky. And look at this color in the rice. Even touching at the bottom, they should be slightly colored. And pieces are perfectly cooked. Look at this, each piece. Perfectly cooking. Cooking biryani in pressure cooker, it's very easy. You will get it perfect biryani. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please do subscribe, click on the like button, comment, like, share to your friends, and I'll see you again with my new recipe. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.